Okay, so the way we set this up is with 5 spots out on the perimeter, so outside the 3-point line. And each spot, like in the deep corner, so it's really parallel with the hoop. The wing position is free throw line extended, and the point is way out top. And it can actually go just above the, just inside of half court almost. So the spacing needs to be really wide. So when he passes and cuts, he can hit the cutter straight away. He can front cut or back cut, anything he wants. You see the way the guys are filling up. That's what we call that when they rotate in. They fill up to a spot and finish, yeah. I do lots of these reps in practice, just pass, cut, score, pass, cut, score, pass, cut, score. So if the defender's overplaying, if it steps out if the defender steps over the 3-point line or in your face, we call it a read line cut. So then the guy just automatically cuts to the basket, and see, he just sends them. He just scores on that or passes. Yeah, read line cut. Read line cut. Go, cut. If your offensive teammate is not recognizing the read line cut, the guy with the ball can force that cut by dribbling at him. So when he dribbles towards him, he sends him for the cut. Same deal. Rotate, rotate. Do it again. Dribble at. Send them. These guys rotate. Double dribble at Arjun. Sends them one way. Sends the other guy, yeah. Double dribble at Kyle. Back one side and snap it to the other. Yeah, there you go. Send them back. Same rotation. And now dribble handoff. Handoff. Good rotation, good handoff. This is like Curry action. And you can drive. Use it as a screen and roll, yeah. The passer can choose either basket cut or screen away. So ball screen or off ball screen. So there, yeah, there's off ball screen. He cuts. And then try ball screen. Rotate. Yeah. Ball scrape. It's pass, double screen away. Get 2 guys moving to the basket. This can easily be done from an inbounding situation too.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. This is an inbound situation. Sideline up. He's open, give it to him. If not, here it is. Cut straight to the basket after that cut. Yeah. Cut, Liam. Good job. So combo is all the principles of the motion offense. Just you call it something just to make them do it, right? Mm-hmm. So it's a dribble out to the high post, and then a handoff to the corner, and then a pitch to the post for a Laker cut. Dribble out to the high post, handoff, pitch to the post, Laker cut. Dribble out, handoff to the post, cut.